Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Arakil and you're watching me on my channel, that is Ella Mode. So yeah, I'm back today. Recently I've not made any video because of the pandemic that was going on. I was a bit disturbed because of that. So many things are happening around and it is happening in the first time. So please take care of yourself and stay at home and do follow the government guidelines to fight this pandemic. So now I have done this look of one brand and I have created this look by using NYBay products. Those products are very good and very affordable also. If you're looking for a good brand with an affordable price, then you can definitely go for NYBay. The products are awesome and I have given the full review and full detail of each and every product. So please go through the full video, and if you do like the video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and give me a thumbs up for this video, and do let me know in the comment whether you like the video or not. So first of all, I have already moisturized my face with my moisturizer. Now I'm going to apply the primer of this NYBay. So yeah, this is NYBay primer. I have used it many times and yeah, I like it very much because whenever you apply this primer, then it is going to give you a silky smooth finish. Like, it is a silicone based primer and it gives you a smooth surface to apply your foundation on. Because yeah, the price is very much less. Like, it is of 225 rupees and then I have got it at a discount of 50%. People with oily skin, they can go for these primers. So yeah, and now I'm going to do my eyebrows with this NYBay pencil. It is in the shade brown. So I have already used this pencil a lot, so that's why it has become of this size. So yeah, that size was good and I think I have got it for I think purchase from NYBay. It is a very good corrector. It is going to neutralize my dark circles. If you have a darker skin than mine, so you can use a orange corrector as well. So this corrector I have got at a 50% discount and it is of 115 rupees. So I'm going to use it on my dark circles. I have used this corrector wherever I have got acne scars. So yeah, this corrector is going to work on that point also. So if you have a darker skin than mine, like my shade is ivory in foundation, so if my shade is very light, so I'm using a pink corrector. If your skin is lighter color, then you can go for pink corrector, but if you have a darker skin, then go for orange corrector. That is going to work for you. So this NYBay correctors are very good because it is very affordable also. Now I am going to use this foundation from NYBay. It is in the shade number 1, Lily Soft Beach Innocence. So this foundation, it is a sheer foundation and it is not going to give you a full coverage, but if you want a sheer foundation and in this price range, like it is of 149 rupees, and again I have got it at a discount of 50%. So you can just imagine it is how much money I have given. I think at 75 rupees I have purchased this foundation, and I'm not going, and you will not go get this foundation in such a price, and any foundation you will not get in such a price. So if you want affordable foundation, then you can very well go for this NYBay foundation. So like about the packing, I didn't like the packing so much because it is this bottle is of glass, and the foundation doesn't comes out properly of it. The nozzle, it is very small, so I think they should have given a pump, but then what you will get in this price. So this is a good foundation. Now I'm going to apply it on my face. Now I have already applied the foundation. Now about this foundation, whenever I apply this foundation, then I have to blend it very fast. Like, as it dries out very fast, and then it is a little bit difficult to blend it. It means it is not easily blendable foundation, and it is not going to give you a full coverage. So yeah, not medium also, it is going, so you can see the acne scars, they are still visible on my face. So yeah, if you want a lighter coverage foundation, a sheer foundation, then you can very well go for this foundation. But if you want a full coverage foundation, then I'm not going to advise you this foundation. Yeah, now this is the concealer of NYB. It is in the shade number 1, White and Milk Chocolate Pretzel. It is a good concealer. Yeah, I do use it, and then it gives you a medium coverage. It covers your now this concealer is going to give you a medium coverage, and it is also very affordable. I think I have got it at a price of 195 rupees, and again 50% discount, so less than 100 I've got. I'm going to use a contour stick. This is of NYB. It is of NYB Runway. It is a very good contour stick, and I just love this one. I think it is the best product. Like the primer is also very good, and the stick is also very good. It blends very fast. So yeah, the color is also very good. So the color is, I think, it is Backstage Statement in Chestnut, number 14. So yeah, the color is very good. So I'm going to use this NYB Runway contour stick. And this also I've got a 50% discount. The price is 175 rupees. Then again 50% discount, and it is of less than 100 rupees. Now I'm going to use a setting powder to set my makeup. This is in the shade Lily's Warm Beach Look 1. So this is the compact powder. So I didn't like the packaging too much, because yeah, it is a little bit hard to open it, and you get this with it to set your makeup. But then I'm going to use my brush to set it. So to apply this blue eyeliner from NYB. It is a very good eyeliner. I got it at a discount, so I just got it of 75 rupees. This eyeliner is very good, and the tip is also very good. So I've purchased 2 eyeliners. One is green and one is blue. So blue one I like the best one, because the color is very good. Yeah, green one is also good. I'm going to apply this. You can see how smoothly I have applied the liner. This tip is very good, and yeah, so yeah, this glides on very smoothly, and yeah, I love this eyeliner. Now about the highlighter, NYB doesn't have a highlighter. They have not launched any highlighter or mascara or blusher. So for blusher, I'm going to use this purple lipstick from NYB. It is in the shade crayon lipstick is a pretty good lipstick and very affordable also. So I like this lipstick. The eyeshadow is also very pigmented. Like I've got it I think of 100 rupees. So the eyeshadow is also very pigmented. It is of 125 rupees, again 50% discount, so the price is very cheap. And this lipstick is also very good, the crayon lipstick. Yeah, it won't give you a very good finish at one apply. You just have to apply it once. The crayon lipstick, I liked it. I have purchased these two crayon and this lipstick from NYB. I have already shown you the crayon one. Now this lipstick I'm going to show. So yeah, this is the second lipstick that I have purchased of NYB, and yeah, it is not that smooth, but in one stroke you will not get the desired color that is of this lipstick. You have to apply it at least 2 times, but then what you will get in this price, like it is I think less than rupees 100. This lipstick is of less than rupees 100, and I think this price is great. It means I don't think so you will get a lipstick in this price range. So yeah, this lipstick is good, and yeah, NYB products are really good. Like crayon lipstick, yeah, you know, it is already many brands have launched crayon lipstick, but they are 500 or 600 rupees. But this lipstick is a very good option for those who are looking for affordable crayon lipstick. Like many brands have come up with their lip crayons, but then this is really affordable. And this also you have to apply at least 2 times to get the desired consistency. Yeah, it is not that smooth like the brands that have launched the lipstick. It is not that smooth, but then yeah, it is good. This is also a very good option. So many other options are also available on NYB, like runway lipsticks are there, and I think Shakti, with the name of Shakti also lipsticks are launched. So if you want me to review those lipsticks also, then please let me know in the comment box. So yeah, this is the desired look. I think this is a better one. That was it for today, guys. See you all in the next video. I'll promise to upload more frequently. Till then, bye bye, take care. I love you guys so much.